In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully connect your TikTok shop with your eBay account for seamless integration and order management. We'll make this process as straightforward as possible, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge you need to synchronize your products effectively. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Google Chrome and log into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is the platform where you manage your TikTok Shop activities. Make sure you're using an updated version of Chrome for optimal performance. Once you're logged in, open a new tab within Chrome and head over to eBay's website, where you'll log into your seller account. Having both accounts open and ready to use will streamline the integration process. Next, you'll need to explore a third-party integration application or platform that is capable of supporting both TikTok Shop and eBay connections. These apps often simplify the complex process of managing transactions across multiple platforms. Some popular options include tools like Shopmaster and SedCommerce, but there are many others, so choose one that best fits your needs and budget. Take a moment to visit the website of your chosen integration platform and start setting it up. With this app, you'll be guided step by step to link your eBay store with your TikTok shop. Most platforms offer a user-friendly interface and prompts to help you along the way. Typically, this involves granting permissions and entering required details like your eBay account credentials and your TikTok shop access parameters. Carefully follow these steps and take your time to ensure each detail is entered correctly. It might be helpful to keep your account information handy for a smoother process. Once your platforms are linked, you'll move on to syncing your products. This is a crucial step, as it allows for the seamless updating of inventory across both platforms. Within the integration app's dashboard, there should be an option to sync products. Clicking on this will begin the process of importing your eBay products into your TikTok shop and vice versa. Be patient, as syncing can take a bit of time depending on the number of products you have. Finally, you're ready to manage orders directly from the integrated dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can view, process, and track orders from both your TikTok shop and eBay store in one place. This unified management system saves you significant time and effort in handling logistics and customer interactions. With everything set up and synced, you're now fully equipped to operate a cohesive online selling experience across two major platforms. By following these steps, you've integrated your TikTok shop with eBay effortlessly, allowing you to focus more on growing your sales and less on technical barriers. Thanks for watching, and here's to your successful multi-platform selling journey.